There's a lot of hype around the GLP-1s, Ozempic, Mounjaro, and all the others. It's in the news. Celebrities are using it, your neighbor's using it, your best friends are using it, and it promises easy weight loss. Here's what nobody's talking about. A good diet, like a paleo, keto, carnivore, Kiltz's diet, might actually be way better for you than taking a medication. In this video, I'm explaining why sticking to a proper human diet, as our good friend Ken Berry likes to say, even though it's harder, could transform your health in ways the GLP-1s simply cannot. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what happens with the GLP-1s. It's a medication that makes you less hungry. You take it, you don't feel like eating as much, and you lose weight. That sounds great, sounds normal. Here's the problem. It's not teaching your body anything. It's not changing your relationship with food. It's not building healthier habits. Think of it like this. The GLP-1 is like putting a parental lock on your appetite. Your brain says eat, and the drug says no, you don't. The medication is doing the work for you. Here's the critical part that most people don't understand. When you stop taking it, you're right back where you started. Maybe worse. Research shows that people who lose weight on Ozempic, Mounjaro, and the other GLP-1s regain about 2/3 of the weight they lost within 1 year of stopping. You realize that means if you lost 45 pounds, you're gaining 30 of it back? You mean you spent all that time on medication, dealing with side effects, all the money, and year after year, you stop and you're basically back to square one? Does that make any sense? Nah. Let's talk about what's happening when you actually commit to changing your diet. The difference is massive. When you change what you eat through commitment, discipline, and lifestyle changes, and a community for coaching and cheerleading, you're training your brain. You're rewiring your relationship with everything, and food is the one we're talking about. Here's what the science shows. People who lose weight through lifestyle changes with a proper human diet actually maintain that weight loss better long term. Why? They changed the mindset first, and they learned how the change in lifestyle, eating a proper human diet, which is meat-centric, they didn't just suppress their appetite, they fundamentally changed the subconscious mind, which is the master of changing your behavior. So those people who combine the lifestyle change with the diet, with exercise, ongoing support, all right, what is that? That's Kiltz's keto carnivore lifestyle, right? It's you want the community to help you change. You want to focus on walking, weights, I always say wagyu, making sure that the mind is strong and practiced every day. This will support where you want to be in the proper weight for years to come. Not months, years, because they developed actual habits, mindful changes. Let me give you another key finding. Research shows that with consistent dieting, combined with exercise and behavioral support, people can maintain a 5 to 10% weight loss for 1 to 2 years and beyond. That's sustainable weight loss. That's real change. But here's the thing, changing your lifestyle is hard. I mean, can you imagine changing your religion or politics? Diet? Oh, wow, that's too hard. But who is more important than you are to you in this world? Nobody. You can change and do anything when you change the mind. We're changing and building new habits. Sustained effort over months, not weeks. This may be harder than taking that shot, I know, but it's the one that has the most sustainable health benefits for you. Carnivore. And look at Kiltz's Mighty Tribe for free. We invest in your life. Now, you invest in your life. That's the most important thing we're all here to do. Here's where it gets really interesting. When you lose weight through diet, you get more healthy benefits in just the number on the scale. But you can also see them without losing weight. This is the amazing part. Research shows diet-based weight loss improves metabolic health. Your body becomes better at handling insulin and blood sugar. Your metabolism doesn't slow down the way it does with rapid medication-based weight loss. A little on cardiovascular health. Your cholesterol improves, blood pressure drops, and your heart actually gets stronger. From improved fitness, you are living better because you're going on a carnivore lifestyle. Gut health. You're eating real food, bacon, eggs, butter, beef, Kiltz's ice cream, salt, 1 meal a day. So your bacteria, they quiet down. They just sit and relax, do the thing they're doing in their minor role. So a healthy gut improves your immunity, your mood, digestion, and of course, mindful health is mental health. This is so huge. When you accomplish that minor weight loss, or no loss at all, or massive weight loss, or you simply have mental clarity, your efforts, your confidence, your self-efficiency, and mental health improves exponentially. One study on women who dieted and exercised found increases in well-being, self-image, body confidence, and emotional resilience. It's not just weight loss, that's mental transformation. With the GLP-1s, the shots, you may lose the weight, you may not get the psychological benefits you're gonna get on a keto carnivore Kiltz's lifestyle. You're taking a drug. Well, let's have the drug be the drug of joy, the drug of I am doing this. So here's another crucial point. Diet-based weight loss reduces visceral fat. I don't think fat on your body is dangerous, by the way. Excessive fat on your body may be an indication that you're in the wrong lifestyle. Multiple studies show, yes, weight loss leads to change in your mindset, but if you change your mindset first, it'll lead to all those other changes you wish to see. Multiple studies show carnivore lifestyle over every other drug dissection doctor has shown that this lifestyle leads to a reduction. Type 2 diabetes, heart disease risk, liver disease risk, inflammation throughout your body, including your gut. These drugs, these shots, the GLPs may help you lose weight, but it doesn't specifically target how the mind can change everything. And when you lose excessive fat and visceral fat, it's an indication you're going in the right direction. But so many people on carnivore don't lose the weight, but they feel more amazing than ever. Join Kiltz's Mighty Tribe. It's for free. And we welcome all the carnivore coaches to help teach this around the globe. Let's talk about what actually happens when you stop Ozempic. When you take Ozempic or other GLP-1s, you're suppressing your brain's hunger signals artificially. Your appetite center is being held down by medication. Your body's natural GLP-1s production might actually be suppressed, be very low by all these drugs. When you stop, suddenly you go from famine to feast and you overdo it. Hyperphagia sets in and you just want to continuously eat. Experts call this Ozempic rebound. The brain says there's going to be a famine, there's going to be no food out there, I'm going to be sick, hibernating in a cave, and you do not want to be skinny. Ozempic, it's not gentle weight gain. After you quit Ozempic, there's a rebound, and it's not a gentle weight gain. Studies show it happens fast. Most weight comes back within 3 to 6 months, and you're like, what the heck happened to me? One expert said it bluntly. There will be a small proportion of people that can maintain the new weight after losing all of that weight. Maybe 10% that is. But unfortunately, the weight comes back for most people. They feel weaker in the muscles. There may be some muscle wasting, yeah. And you end up worse off metabolically, physiologically, psychologically. Add fat, cook the plants well, eat less frequently, and have faith in God. What more do you need? And get up and go for a walk, right? What's even worse when you come off the GLP-1s, the weight comes back fast. The muscle strength goes and you may be even having some muscle wasting. You get frustrated, upset, and you just want to give it up, don't you? But what I want you to do is simply say, that was an interesting adventure. I'm done with all those diets and those crazy doctors, shots, pills, surgeries. I'm getting right back to Kiltz's keto carnivore lifestyle. Or join one of our other communities in the keto or carnivore lifestyles. Faith in God, add more fat, animal fat, butter, cream, cheese, and eggs. For the vegetarians, the vegans, it's cook the plants well, eat less frequently, and maybe it's olive oil or hemp seed oil or avocado oil or coconut oil. But if you're a vegetarian, Mediterranean, pescatarian, or carnivorian, it's going to be the animal fats. That's what I think is the very, very best, right? All right, let's get you on some new habits. Let's help you maintain whatever that weight you want to be in, right? If you slip up, it's okay. Let's get you over that, next to the next level, some new habits. See, I never cheat. I only treat from time to time. And I talk about it. Oh my God, I had some French fries the other night with a little bit of an extra filthy dirty martini. Did I lose my shirt over it? I enjoyed, but 99% It's bacon, eggs, butter, beef, Kiltz's ice cream, salt, one meal a day. It's as simple as that. Let's talk a little bit about money. These drugs, doctors' dissections, and crazy diets, and 3 to 6 meals a day ain't working. But the last I looked, the GLP-1s can be mighty expensive, right? Up to $1,000 or more per month for some people without insurance. Gee, isn't that the system that's been going on for thousands and thousands of years? Just look at the sugar cartel, right? So $12,000 to $14,000 or more a year. For many people, even with insurance, it's still hundreds of dollars a month and thousands of dollars a year. Now, here's the problem. You have to take it forever, they say. If you stop, you gain the weight back, and you don't want to get fat, do you? This is not a solution. You know that, right? There's a permanent expense to everything. By the time you're 50, I'll be 70 next year, in 3 months actually, you could spend upwards of $200,000 on these medications just to maintain the weight you lost with diet or get skinny? I don't know. Am I just dumb? Have I been brainwashed as a doctor? Some ways I'll accept yes. Zero cost for the diet itself. Maybe you work with a nutritionist for $1,000 to $2,000 total a year. You learn skills once and you keep them for life. No ongoing payments? Investing in your life through knowledge. And here's the thing. I don't think obesity is a disease, by the way, and I'm not telling you should get skinny. But I know for so many of us, it's just the road we're on. But it's not solved by medications, shots, surgeries, doctors, or the constant diets we're not being solved by, right? It's solved by changing behavior, and that behavior change. It's portable. Ozempic is a business model. You stop paying, you stop losing weight. Diet is a skill. You own it forever. Weight loss, weight management is the biggest business in the world. All of it. What we're here to do is teach everyone a way of living, a lifestyle that has courage and strength and is regal and doesn't run away from something hard that sounds like Kiltz's lion lifestyle, right? The carnivore lifestyle. Ozempic has side effects. 36% of people experience nausea. Some people have severe stomach pain. Some develop pancreatitis. Some have kidney issues. The diet? You're not taking a chemical. You're eating real food. The worst side effect is being hungry for a few days while your body adjusts. And honestly, for me, and I see so many people, hunger goes away, your appetite adapts, your mindset adapts. Medication side effects, those can linger for months or years. Some people may have permanent problems. Some people have to quit Ozempic because the nausea never goes away. Is this the new drug we're supposed to be on for life? Like the birth control pill or women and men's hormones for life? Just another drug that we will care for you. Diet side effects are completely under your control. Feel hungry? You've eaten too little? Adjust. Feeling weak? You need more protein? Add it. I say add more fat. You're in control. It's so simple. Here's what the research really shows works long-term for the optimal human body. Okay, let's just call it weight loss. So what is a sustainable diet? It doesn't have to be extreme. Just healthy and maintainable. Regular exercise like walking 30 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Behavior support. Working with a keto carnivore nutritional therapist like from the Kiltz Mighty Tribe. Support groups are so important. A community. This is why we have our Kiltz Mighty Tribe communities, and there's so many other communities that I belong to also. Long-term commitment, at least 1 to 2 years of consistent effort. When you combine these elements, you get sustained body image of what you believe it should be, whether it's weight loss or weight gain in some people, improved health markers, better mental health, and no dependency on these medications. The studies are clear. Mindset, motion, the proper human diet supports and beats any medication hands down. This is why Ozempic is so appealing. It's easy. It does the work for you, but easy isn't the same as effective. And temporary results aren't the same as lasting change. If you're willing to put in the real work to actually change your diet, to change your exercise, to change your mindset and your subconscious mind, to change and build new habits, you'll get results that last a lifetime. The choice is yours. Easy, temporary fix, or hard, permanent solution. Here's the bottom line. Ozempic works. It makes you lose weight, but it's temporary, it's expensive, and it's side effects, and we don't know if you're gonna be the one. Lifestyle changes work better long term, and part of the lifestyle change also incorporates what you put in your mouth, along with what in your mind, and how you immerse your life. The hardest part, actually, is committing to it. The payoff, a lifetime of health and independence, and you're gonna be wanting to share it with everyone. Can't keep Kiltz quiet, can they? Thanks for watching. If this has motivated you to commit to real sustainable changes, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment about your weight loss journey or improvement in your body image and whether or not you've tried these medications or any diet. We appreciate and honor your input. Always with love, generosity. God bless. Dr. Rob Kiltz. See you next time.